Hello, students. I am sure about you have done many of the problems related to gravitational force. Now I am solving another questions regarding with the mass of earth and mass of moon. Question is, as the mass of the earth is 6 into 10 to the power 24 kg and that of the moon is 7.4 into 10 to the power 12 kg. If the distance between earth and the moon is 3.84 into 10 to the power 5 kilometer, calculate the force exerted by earth on the moon. बताती है कि अर्थ की मास दिया गया है, मून की मास दिया गया है, दोनों के बीच की डिस्टेंस दिया गया है। हमें फाइंड करना है कि अर्थ द्वारा मून पर लगने वाला एक्सर्ट फोर्स कितना है। तो आइए अकॉर्डिंग टू द रिलेशन ऑफ F इक्वल टू जी m1 m2 by r square, if we putting this value in the equation first, then F equal to 6.76 into 10 to the power minus 11 and m square per kg square into mass of the earth 6 into 10 to the power 24 kg into mass of the moon 7.4 into 10 to the power 22 kg, and the radius, the distance between earth and the moon is 3.84 into 10 to the power 8 meter and their square. Solving this type of problem, we must have taken together the numerical values. Ten to the power minus 11 plus 24 into 22 plus 22 and nm square kg square into kg that is kg square by r square, their value 384 into 10 to the power 16 meter square. There is kg to kg abolish and meter to meter. The multiplication of these three numerical value will be 296.148 into 10 to the power 8, this both term and subtract 11, then 35, and by the square of this term, the 3.84, and their square value will be 14.7456. 14.7456 into 10 to the power 16. Now divide these both term, this term and this term, then it give us this term give us 20.0838, 20.0838. It give us, when we solving this problem, we have 2.01 into 10 to the power 19, and this magnitude of force exerted by the earth to the moon to attract towards its center. Therefore, the value of exert force is 2.01 into 10 to the power 19, and by this method we have to calculate numeral value and exponent value, and solving the problem to get very easier. By this method you have also calculate many of the problem and get the accurate result of exert force between earth and the moon. Now I am again remember you, if the plan of solving this numericals and their method is easier to you, then subscribe it, like it and share it. By this like, subscribe and share, the video is enhancing greater and greater.